Okay, we're back at Krowne. Okay, Paul, how are you?
Great, Joel. Today we're going to talk about our underbar. Krowne offers full layout and design for all your customers' needs. This is an example of our Krowne Royal workstation. So how we design it is basically we want your bartenders to be able to get a drink, ice, and liquor within a three-step process. So you have your glass storage rack, you have your ice bin, and you have your alcohol right in front of you. The more efficient your bartender is, the more profitable he'll be for your restaurant.
Well, let's take a look at these pieces over here. We have, I see a nice trash bin, you know, over there on the side that's built in right there.
This will hide your Slim Jim.
Right. And that's what, I guess, door access just to kind of make that out look a little bit easier.
This is a hinge door, so you slide your Slim Jim in and out, and it gives it a nice look behind the bar.
And now, that's a pretty interesting size, the little glass rack right there, too. That's a little narrowed down. We normally see like the 20-inch or the 24-inch one.
This one happens to be 18-inch.
An 18-inch little filler piece there.
Yeah.
All right, so I can also see, you know, on the video here we're going to see it, but we got some really nice lighting going on over here, too. Is that...
We honestly, we ordered these LED lights, and it's a great accent light to any bar. We ordered those online, and like I said, you can certainly do that for any bar as well.
Right. So we have a nice little glass storage unit, and one of the great things about, you know, having a system like this is having that drainage built into it. As we can see, you got the drain hole right over there.
Correct.
So all this stuff is going back down, and again, we would have some type of floor drains or floor troughs or something going back to it.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, we have a bottle rack storage unit right over here.
Yep.
Okay, a little wine bottle storage rack or whatever it's going to be.
White wine has become so popular today that instead of you having to open up your cooler so many times in a night, what we're offering customers as an option is to put the wine right in front of them. Again, it makes it very easy for your bartender.
Okay, so from there we go to, that's a one compartment sink right there, or is that a cocktail station?
This is your ice bin.
Right.
Okay, it's a 24-inch ice bin with a built-in cold plate. Okay, for your soda. This is an option which has become really popular today. Is we can put a faucet over your ice bin to burn down the ice at the end of the night. So that's become a nice option. Then you have your liquor display right next door, and then you have your blender with a dump sink.
A nice little blender station right there, which is,
Yep.
I can't tell you how many times we lay out a bar or we go to a customer site and they don't have a blender station. They have it sitting on top of like a drain rail or something like that.
Sure, no, it's an important piece to
one of the other things I want to talk about is the speed rail.
Sure.
Like how important it is to get the right speed rail.
Absolutely. With our Krowne Royal, we make what's known as a sound deadened speed rail, so you're not hearing the bottles clang all night. And also, it's lined with a plastic, so it's very easy to clean at the end of the night as well. So, and the important part, as you can notice too, it all lines up. It's all 24 inches front to back. So again, you're not having any pieces staggered.
Now, another thing I'm seeing, I don't see any legs. What can you tell me about that?
This is our modular system, Joel. So basically it's built on a chassis, and as you said, it's very cleanability. There is no legs to it. It's built on a chassis, and I'll take you around the back and show you what the back looks like.
Let's take a look and see what that looks like. As you can see up here in the showroom, we have a pretty nice bar they built here. But
our woodwork guy, and you can ask them, they can make the panels removable, so if you ever do need to access it, it's easily accessible.
Now, this is what the back of that system looks like.
This is a modular bar die wall, yes.
And
so you can see that it's in lieu of doing a traditional wood bar. All of your holes and chaseways for your beer, your electrical, your soda lines are all there for you, for your beer towers and whatnot. Everything is accessible.
So we can see, you know, all of our chases and everything else that needs to be done, soda lines or anything else to get back down to the bottom part of that cold plate is right there.
And the beauty of the modular system too is we could ship this in sections, so it gets to the customer in 6-foot sections, so it's very easy for the installer.
Fantastic. Well, I'll tell you what. Unbelievable design when it comes to putting this equipment together, and we've done a couple of places like this, and I've seen places. It just makes the efficiency flow so much easier.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, Paul. I can't thank you enough for the time. We'll take a look at some other great products, and we'll see what we can come across.
Thanks, Joel.
Thanks.